There is a single word that has killed more respect than betrayal. It is not weakness. It is not failure. It is sorry. We are taught to apologize to keep peace, but every time you bow your head, every time you explain yourself, you hand someone power over you. Why do people demand apologies? Not for healing, but for control. Apologies condition you to shrink. They force you into submission, and in the mind of others, your worth is lowered each time you bend. Machiavelli warned, men must either be crushed or feared. Notice, never apologized to. He knew that respect is not won by regret, but by strength, distance, and silence. Forgiveness does not come from apologies. It comes when the other person has no choice but to accept your power. Apologies are for the weak. Forgiveness belongs to the strong. The worker who always says sorry becomes invisible. The friend who apologizes first becomes the servant. The lover who begs is abandoned because desire dies when respect does. So what do you do instead of apologizing? Correct in silence. Let actions speak. Deflect with calmness. Say, I hear you. Reframe the attack. Say, that's how you see it. Stand still in storms. Silence unnerves more than excuses. Remember this. Apologies are chains. They bind you lower every time you wear them. But when you stop saying sorry and start showing strength, the world no longer sees you as weak. They see you as unshakable. In a world of wolves, you don't explain, you endure, and that endurance becomes fear.